Alright guys, what's going on? Many of you may have seen the video where Josh throws me in the trunk and leaves me in there forever with the dog to see who loves him more. Well, I got a prank to show him who loves him more. I went to the store and I got those pepperoni dog treats. I'm gonna tell him my brother sent us his jerky for him to try in our videos. So when Josh starts freaking out that I gave him dog treats instead of beef jerky, I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna go right up the side of his chin and just cut off part of his beard. Oh, he's gonna be so pissed. This is gonna be great. But that's what he gets. And to top it off, when he comes in here into this mirror to find out the damage I did, right here, from here to here, there's gonna be saran wrap on there real tight where he can't see it, and he's gonna right in the face. So it's gonna be a 3 for beef jerky, for dog food, razor to the face, saran wrap to the nose. So here we go. Hey honey.
What?
My brother sent us some beef jerky and wanted you to try on camera. Like, you know that stuff he gave us a few years ago when we started dating? He got a little different recipe and he wants you to try it on camera.
Yeah. Where is it?
It's with the rest of the mail.
You already opened it?
Well, yeah, I had to eat some.
So what kind is this?
It's supposed to be some new recipe he has.
You know I love some beef jerky.
He got a new dehydrator too.
Smells beefy. This smells different. This smells different.
Well, it is a new recipe. He didn't tell me what he put in it though. Don't hurt his feelings.
I haven't heard anything yet.
I can see it in your face. Is it too dry?
Oh. Were they supposed to be refrigerated?
No. We just
I
got
see
him in today.
Oh, there's something wrong. Like, I'm scared I'm going to get food poisoning.
You're not gonna get food poisoning. It's not raw.
Oh, I don't know. I don't even know where should we go to the doc. I don't know if I should.
We're fighting over it.
What's wrong with these?
Nothing. For
Oh.
dog treats.
We can't show your brother this freaking video, that's for sure.
He didn't even hear me, guys.
What?
I said there's nothing wrong with them.
What do you mean there's nothing wrong with them?
For dog treats.
Are you kidding me?
No.
You better be joking.
No. It's pepperonis. Beef flavored.
I'm gonna throw this.
No, 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 no.
Kidding me?
No. Oh, it's not that bad. Come on.
Ugh. What do you mean, come on? Look at my eyes. They're watering now.
Only because you know they're dog treats.
Why would you give me dog treats?
You threw me in the trunk.
So that's why they like them. Here. Here. I can taste it.
You're forcing it.
I don't care. My brain's telling my stomach it doesn't want it. I can't believe you did that.
I can't believe you threw me in the trunk. I can't believe you've done all these other things.
You deserve the trunk.
Why? What did I do?
Stuff like this.
Oh, God.
Have I given you dog food?
No. But I know you would, given the chance.
No, I wouldn't. I'm nice.
Nice enough to lock me in the trunk?
At least you had a dog in there with you. Thanks.
Are you still gagging?
What do you think? You just fed me freaking dog food.
Oh, come on. That's...
Come on.
It's not that bad.
What? What did you just do? Did you just... You did not.
Yeah, I did.
Can't believe you did that. Ah! What is it? Oh, you... Ah! I hit my elbow.
Oh, your elbow.
God! What?
Hold
You got
her.
a camera set up?
I had this whole thing planned.
Are you kidding me? You just got this whole chunk. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. You deserve every bit of this for throwing me in the damn trunk.
Can't believe you did that.
What are you gonna do about it?
So you gave me freaking dog food, and then you make me run into cellophane and you freaking get my beard!
Yes, I did. Ha 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 ha. Don't hurt my pumpkin. I worked hard on him.
Oh, your pumpkin?
Yeah, my pumpkin. I worked hard on him. No!
There's your pumpkin!
You broke my pumpkin! No! Stop! What are you doing? Wait!
Ah!
What are you doing?
Ah!
No, 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 no! Oh. That was my pumpkin.
I don't care. We're done here. Shut the camera off.
I guess we're gonna have to go get me another pumpkin.